I saw this on TikTok. I saw a guy shotgun a LaCroix. All we have is hot water. But babe, can you shotgun a hot water without burping?
I did not sign up for this. This is just a sparkling beverage, but let's freaking rock and roll. It's been a minute.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so nervous. This is gonna be painful. All right, ready? Ow! No, it hurts. It's terrible. Ah! Your turn, babe. You're up. And then you gotta go like this. Go, baby! Woo!